Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the PowBlocks token. Ticker symbol is XPB. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 3rd on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the PowBlocks token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the PowBlocks token. So PowBlocks is a dedicated, decentralized, layer 1 proof-of-work blockchain designed for the mining community. It distinguishes itself through its unique emission model, ingrained 5% block reward reduction per month, and commitment to decentralization. So this coin, actually, it's technically a token. It says it's a blockchain, but it is on the Ethereum blockchain. So technically, it is a token on Ethereum. They have 1,748 holders so far, according to their Etherscan. Market price today is about 88 cents per token. Fully diluted market cap, $2.6 million, in circulating supply market cap, $5.4 million. 18 decimal places on this token. And there is a max total supply of 3,035,694 tokens. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global, December 3rd, 11 o'clock UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do is simply well, if you don't have an MEXC Global account, first of all, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search XPB, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, PowBlocks, December 3rd, 11 o'clock UTC time. They do have a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up here as usual. At PowBlocks on Twitter or x.com. They have a Discord group that you could join, and you can find that on their webpage, powblocks.com. And then they do have a full white paper that you could find on their webpage as well. So PowBlocks' mission is to be the largest proof-of-work chain emphasizing fairness, innovation, and community involvement. We highlight the successful mainnet launch, which utilized a 1 trillion difficult setting to avoid instamine, chain forks, and reorgs. Their information provides insights into the significance of the name PowBlocks and its smart contract and EVM compatibility with a focus on transparency and inclusivity. PowBlocks aims to revolutionize the mining ecosystem and create a truly driven, community-driven digital asset. So the significance of the PowBlock name, the PowBlocks is derived from the combination of proof of work, POW, which stands for proof of work, I just said that. It symbolizes our unwavering commitment to the principle of proof of work and secure block generation. Each block in the PowBlocks network is a testament to the computational work performed by miners, validating transactions and upholding the integrity of the blockchain. This name reinforces our dedication to decentralization, security, and transparency, serving as a constant reminder of the robust foundation upon which our blockchain is built. It encapsulates our mission to create a blockchain where trust and reliability are powered by and proven time-tested proof-of-work consensus mechanisms. So this smart contract and EVM compatibility, PowerBlocks embraces the full potential of blockchain technology by offering comprehensive support for smart contracts. Its EVM compatibility, so PowerBlocks is fully compatible with EVM, enabling developers to seamlessly deploy and execute smart contracts on the blockchain. This compatibility opens doors to a wide range of decentralized applications, dApps, and enhances interoperability within the blockchain ecosystem. So token symbol XPB. Now, it says no pre-mine. PowerBlocks has a commitment to fairness from the start. They have PowerBlocks reduction that I mentioned earlier, implements a 5% block reward reduction every 200,000 blocks that reduces the rate of emission over time. The reduction in emission is designed to control supply and create conditions for increased demand. During the first 2 million blocks, an additional 2 coins are emitted and allocated to the development treasury. After the 2 millionth block, the emission is eliminated. Supply control and economic implications. PowerBlock aims to maintain a balanced and controlled token supply to ensure long-term sustainability. The emission schedule is designed to encourage scarcity, leading to potentially increasing the token's value. As the block rewards reduce over time, miners and stakeholders can expect a more deflationary environment. So, on their paper, you can check out the total mined emissions, development treasury, total supply, etc. They have their own little webpage here, powerblocks.com/emission for the full emission schedule table. The emission rate lowers significantly over time, tending towards zero. Therefore, we calculate this as a total supply of 36 million XPB that can be mined. Please note that this table excludes Uncle rewards. So PowerBlock's mainnet launch was a resounding success, marked by 1T difficulty level. This strategic approach effectively avoided insta-mine, chain forks, reorganizations, and other challenges commonly faced during network launches. The high initial difficulty level demonstrated our dedication to the fair and stable blockchain environment from the outset. To ensure a fair start, PowerBlocks initiated its mainnet with a staggering 1 terahash difficulty level. This decision was made after carefully considering the challenges that often accompanied network launches. The primary objective of this high initial difficulty were fair distribution, security and stability, avoiding insta-mine, preventing chain forks, and reorgs. At first, when they said 1T, I thought they meant 1 trillion, but they actually mean 1 terahash. So I stand corrected. At the beginning of the video, I said 1 trillion. 1T, they should have put terahash. Anyways, PowerBlock's commitment to fairness extends beyond the initial launch phase. The project aims to uphold fairness throughout its life cycle by implementing value-centered tokenomics and annual block rewards halving, ensuring a controlled supply that encourages scarcity and potentially increases the value of the token. The successful launch with a 1T difficulty level lays the foundation for a robust and stable blockchain ecosystem. As PowerBlocks grows, it will continue to prioritize fairness, security, and decentralization, cementing its position as a leading proof-of-work chain. So eventually they are going to have governance with decision-making processes. Token holders and miners will have a significant say in the project's development, governance, and future direction. And they're trying to become the largest POW chain. So in conclusion, PowerBlock's token emission model is a key element of its value-centered tokenomics. The project aims to balance supply and demand, encourage decentralization, and foster fair, transparent mining ecosystem while striving to become the largest POW chain. This white paper, if you want to read the white paper, provides an overview of the token emission schedule for 100 million blocks, highlighting the project's commitment to long-term sustainability and community-driven governance. So check this token out. on MEXC Global starting December 3rd, 11 o'clock UTC time. And like I said, if you don't have an MEXC Global account, you can check out the referral codes down there in the description box. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so leave a comment down there and check out all the referral codes and anyways, hit that join button if you want to help support the channel. Trying to remember all the things here. Subscribe, like the video, check out my Facebook in the description box, and there's Patreon down there too if you want to help support the channel. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.